All right, guys, Tony here. I'm going to show you a little walkthrough on the Carbon AI Badger crypto trading system. Okay, I only have a couple days under my belt here with it, but the reason I'm doing this video now and not a week from now is because we don't have a week's time. If you're contemplating joining, they're going to be shutting the doors in the next couple days. They only want to have 100 or just over 100 people. They're going to keep it a very small, tight ship, basically, small community of people that they want to onboard. Okay, so they're only going to be doing that with a few more people. So I'm going to go ahead and just show you once you're signed up with the Carbon AI system. It's 1997 one time, and you're paid for life. Okay, they have other things. In fact, you can see over here, Forex markets coming soon. I actually had a conversation with the owner, the guy that's, if you've seen the webinar, the guy that's in the webinar, Kevin, he's the owner slash developer of the system. Okay, I had a long conversation with him on the phone yesterday, and he was kind of going over all the things that we're doing moving forward. And in addition to the Forex, there's a lot of good things coming, guys. We're talking like a crypto token that you'll be able to stake and earn as the price goes up. And of course, the price will continually go up, and it'll also be backed by trading. I don't want to say any more at this point because this is in the future. This isn't right now. Okay, now, but the crypto trading platform itself. Okay, there's only a couple days left to get on board. Like I said, it is 100% automated, hands-free, and I can't even begin to tell you how easy it is. You just simply, once you're signed up, you're going to go right to you set up your Bybit account, which is 2 seconds. There's no KYC or verification documents or anything like that with this exchange. And then you're simply just going to copy and paste the API keys. There's a video, short few minute video showing you how to do it. Okay, I mean, just a 5-year-old kid could do it. No kidding. So just very, very simple. Takes just a few minutes, and then you just simply fund you see my Bybit account here. You fund it, and as soon as it's there and it's in your derivatives account, it is trading. It's that simple, guys. Again, there's a video walking you through it, but it is so, so simple. You can see I'm trading right now. I just threw in $1,000 to start. I'm going to actually be adding to it come Monday. It's Saturday right now, so Monday, Tuesday, I'll be adding a few thousand more. I just wanted to get the ball rolling, get some trades going, just to kind of get a feel for the system and everything. Okay, but I'm going to go ahead and show you. Here's the back office. There's also when you click on Carbon Training, oops, live training, you will see there's all of these webinars. He does like weekly webinars, sometimes more than one a week. And I clicked on, I only watched the latest one here, September 24th. Amazing stuff. That's all I got to say. I mean, just truly amazing. Everything that he's doing to get more trades out of it, to get more bang for your buck, okay? Because the more trades that he can crank out on a daily basis, the more profit that'll be made. Now you can see right here, it says I have 9 trades, 3 are open. Okay, so you can see this is my history. I've only been in for just over 24 hours. Okay, right about 30 hours. We're getting about I'd say 7 or 8 trades a day. We should be at 10 trades a day in the next week, I would say, because he's making a few changes, adding more currency pairs, crypto, currency pairs, and so forth. Just to give you an average, we can't give guarantees or anything like that. Okay, but what we aim for is basically with 10 trades a day, you can expect around a 1.5 to 2% per day. Now, you guys, the difference here is this is crypto. I'm very used to Forex. If you guys know me, I'm in Forex. That's what I do full time. Okay. Forex is nice because it's 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. While crypto is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It literally never sleeps. So when you add those extra 2 days on top of 5, that's a 40% increase in trading hours. Okay, so if you were to compare apples to apples with Forex, you would in getting the same returns daily, you're actually just got a 40% raise in profits because you're trading those extra 48 hours, those extra 2 days. Okay, just to kind of put it into perspective for those of you that have been with me with the Forex and that's what you're familiar with. So just to show you here now, these are all the green here are profitable trades. Every trade you can see here, let me move me over here. Every trade that's been completed has been profitable. 100% win rate thus far, and that's what they aim for is 100% win rate. They also go for 10% on each trade. This trade, the only reason I don't think it hit 10% is because it had like a quick pullback. It was kind of like slippage, because otherwise it was still at the entry level, which means it should have aimed for 10%. So I'm pretty sure that's what happened. It was just a fast move in the market. So by the time it closed the trade, it pulled back already. But anyways, you'll see all the other ones, 10 for 10.5%, 10.5%, 11.3, 11.4%, 10.5%, 2%. The reason that was 2% is because it was on level 2. This is the money management system. When a trade goes against it, this is what's brilliant. The system itself, and they teach you the system, guys. They actually teach you the actual system and the indicators, the Bollinger Bands, and all that to do your own manual trading. And it actually wins 94 and 95% of the time. Now, what they did is they turned it into an EA, into a bot, okay, to do it for you. But what it also does is it has a built-in money management system. You can see it, and it has different levels. So when it goes against you, like these are the open trades right now, they're in the red, and that's pretty common to be in the red when you first start because you get the spread and all that, and then it's going to fluctuate up and down. Now we're using 10x leverage, so to get that 10%, just to put it into perspective, you only need a 1% move. So if the coin goes in your favor 1%, the price of the coin, you made your 10%. So it's that easy to get a 10% profit, okay, because of the leverage. But what happens if it starts going against you? There's different levels it takes where it'll you see reduce leverage at a certain price, and what that does is that buys you more. It gives you more leeway in the trade so that you can last longer as it's going against you, so it doesn't wipe out your account or anything like that. Now, one important thing: this is not 10% on my $1,000, guys. This is 10% on the amount that I allocate per trade, which is 2%. So this 10% is 10% on 2%. Okay, so you're only risking 2% on each trade. Now, if the trade goes into different more levels, that 2% could become 4 or 8%, but you are only risking a very small portion of your account, of your overall account on each trade. Okay, and we also never allow more than three trades to be open at one time. That's why there's only 3 trades. There might be other trade opportunities right now, but it will not take a trade until one of these close out. So that also allows enough margin to be able to get out of any trades in a worst case scenario. It literally, it's all optimized. So even if all 3 trades went way, way, way against us to the 4th level, you still have enough in your account to recover. Oh, and by the way, this is not a stage 4. We found out it was a mistake in the back office computing it wrong. It's only a stage 2. So this one here at a stage 2, it settles for 2%. So we would settle for around 2% if it gets out of the trade. This particular trade with Algo here in the stage 2. Entry position means it's going to settle for 10. It's going for 10%. See, so this shows 40% negative. Well, guys, that's only 40% on 2%. Okay, so that's actually less than 1%. It's actually, yeah, it's a little less than 1%. No big deal. So on a $1,000 account, that's less than 10 bucks, and it's still in the very first entry stage. So it's still aiming for 10% profit. It's just been kind of lingering for a few hours here. Some of them are in and out very fast. Some of them, like this Algo one, you might stay in the trade for 24 hours, even up to 48 hours, just waiting for it to make that move. Okay, so I just want to show you here now any and all closing trades, my sponsor, anybody else. And if you haven't watched the webinar, the main webinar, or the introduction where he explains it all, he will show you thousands of trades and going back, full year, 100% win rate. Okay, not a single loss as of today. Okay, and that's what they aim for, 100% win rate. He's also adding more indicators to get more trades. He'll be adding more pairs. What he's aiming for is 20 trades a day, even if it takes a couple months to get there. All I can say is, holy cow. I mean, that would be basically 3.5 to 4% profit per day, 7 days a week. Okay, and you can do the math on that. Again, past profits do not guarantee future results. I have to say that, all the disclosures and all that, but pretty exciting stuff. So I just kind of want to show you that. And then also right here, if you click on Badger System, it gives you your statistics. Okay, you can see here total profit, so 1.1% on my $1,000. Um, Estimated daily gain, a little over 0.5%. Now, you guys, I just started. It's only been 24 hours, so these numbers haven't really kicked in yet. You know what I mean? These numbers will go up as I've been in for a full week or 2 weeks, and I'm getting all the trades and so forth. Estimated monthly gain. This is according to what I've done in the past 30 hours. I'm just under 20%. So again, this will go up. Okay, my balance, that's closed trades, just under 1%. And then once these current 3 open trades close, of course, that's just going to add to my balance. Okay, so pretty good stuff. And the best part about this is once you're all set up and everything with the exchange, as you can see here, you don't even need to log into your Bybit, exchange. You really just fund it. Unless you're going to put more money in or you're taking a withdrawal, there's really no need to go in there because, and if you live in the U.S., you need to have a VPN. You anytime, the only reason you need a VPN is for the exchange itself. You don't need it for this back office here. Okay, but that's just for when you're logging into the exchange for whatever reason. Turn on the VPN. Like I'll use like Spain or Germany or Mexico or something, another country, so it doesn't detect that you're logging in from the USA. And as long as you do that, you're fine. You don't need to do any KYC or verification documents. I believe you can withdraw up to 2 Bitcoin per day, which is almost $100,000, right, per day, without doing any kind of verification or anything. So we're fine there. If you're not in the U.S., then you probably won't have any. You probably won't need a VPN. There's only a few restricted countries that'll pop up. It'll let you know if you're one of them. Okay, so pretty simple stuff. But you can see here you got all the statistics, and like I said, you don't need to log in because to your exchange because you have everything here live. It's a direct live feed into the trades that are connected to your exchange. Okay, so you can just kind of watch your trades if you want to and just let it do its thing. My sponsor, I don't know what he has, maybe 40 trades so far, of course, all winners. And then again, like I said, there's been literally thousands of trades already been done. That have all been winners. So that's it. I did not want to make this video too long. So hopefully this just to give you the gist of what's going on. So if you're kind of on the fence, again, I don't want to put pressure on you or anything, but it is very, very time sensitive. And when I spoke with Kevin, I did ask him, are you going to extend that if people keep coming in and allow us to share it with more people? And he actually said, no, we just can't do it. We need to keep a small community. We need everybody to be on the same page so there's not always new people coming in, asking questions and stuff like that. He wants everybody to be in the same boat. So, moving forward with all the new activities and things that, that are ahead of us. Okay, so if he does open it back up, by the way, he said it would not be to this automated system. It would be where you can kind of do it yourself, almost like a hybrid. He'll give you all the settings and all the parameters, but you would kind of have to do the legwork as far as hooking it up and the algorithm and all that stuff. And I'm clueless. I'm not a techie person, so I have no idea what that would entail. That's why I jumped on board with this. Okay, guys, that's it. I will see you on another video. Happy trading.